I'm Erica Nori. I'm the Customer and Experience Manager here in New York City. The Poly Experience Center, at least to me, is where you can experience our products firsthand. And we really design this space to reflect what customers have in their spaces. So how we can outfit a large conference room, a huddle space, a hoteling space. Again, it's really to reflect what we see, what they're building out, and also they can see the experience here. They can come on site. So we have been doing on-site briefings since we opened. They can do hybrid. So I've done multiple hybrid briefings where part of the team will be on site, the other part will be maybe located in London or in the West Coast. We can actually bring them in virtually. And within our program, we actually have a dedicated virtual experience manager. So that way, if anyone isn't close to one of our experience centers, they can actually still have this experience, but again, remotely. And so we do accommodate to wherever you're at in EMEA, or even in APAC.